Welcome back to the Triple A family. Today we're going to be making pumpkin flowers.
Okay guys, so this is our first time doing it. I was going to do it by myself, but the kids decided to do it. So Aaliyah's going to help and Ethan's going to help too. So what you need is flowers, pumpkins, and this little foam thing. That's what it's called. I bought this at the Dollar Tree for $1, so $1 each. I need about two. And then these 2 pumpkins, I bought them at the grocery store at Fry's, and they were $5 each. No, I'm lying, they were 2 for $5. So I bought those, and then I bought the flowers at Fry's as well, and they were $5 each. And I picked this ones because I feel like they're
Ready?
Kind of fall and pretty looking. So that's what we're gonna do. I saw it on Pinterest and I thought it was pretty cool, so I'm gonna try to remake it and see how it comes out. So the first thing you want to do is unpack the flowers, open your flowers up,
then
open this up, and then
cut that seed.
Yeah, we're gonna cut it. And so if you want to make a pumpkin full of flowers, it depends on how you want it. If you want to make a big circle, that's up to you, but I'm kind of gonna make it medium because I only bought a little bit of flowers. I didn't want to spend a lot of money on this because like I said, it's my first time doing it, so I don't even know if it's gonna come out or not. And then inside there's seeds, so we're gonna scoop all the seeds out, and then after that we'll show you how it looks. So what I'm doing, I'm cutting a hole this big. So what I did, I just went with the knife, stuck my knife in there. Be careful because the pumpkins are really hard, and just follow it until you have a nice thing where you can pull this thing out. So once you did that, it looks like this. So it's really easy. The little top comes out, so you just pull it out, and there's all the seeds. You want to scoop all those out. So this part, the kids are going to help me with it. So Aaliyah's going to scoop her pumpkin out because each kid's going to have their own pumpkin. It's Aaliyah's first time actually scooping the stuff out of a pumpkin. She's excited. How does it feel, Aaliyah?
It feels weird.
Gooey?
Yeah.
Nasty?
Ow. Yeah.
Are you okay, Ethan?
Yeah.
Does it feel weird?
Yeah. What is
Yeah.
What?
Good job, though. It's a pretty fun activity to do with your kids and get them off their tablets for a little bit.
Yep.
So make sure that you also get all this gooey stuff out because you want to have a clean base in here to put your foam inside. And while they're finishing up, I went ahead and cut my flowers because the stems were really long, and since my pumpkins are little, I need smaller stem flowers, so I just cut them up, and then if I have to cut them even smaller later on, I will do that. But if you're doing a bigger pumpkin, then I suggest for you to put the foam in and start rearranging them, and then if you have to start cutting to make it a fuller pretty flower set, then that's what you have to do. But right now I'm just gonna cut them, clean them up, and see if I even have enough flowers for it. So that's what I'm gonna do. Are you almost done?
Yes.
So this is how the pumpkin looks. This is how clean we were able to get it, and this is how big the hole was. So this pumpkin is pretty tiny. It fits on my hand. So now I am going to put just a tiny bit of water on the bottom. I'm just doing that because I'm trying to have something for my flowers to live on for a few days at least. If I was you guys, I think I would rather go with flake flowers. So that's my suggestion I give for you guys, to go to like the Dollar Tree or Michael's or anywhere that sell fake flowers and use those instead. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find this little foam things. I'm gonna stick them inside the pumpkin, have them together, so that when my flowers go inside, they're able to stick on something and hold and stand up straight, instead of me just sticking them in here and they're go all over the place. So this is gonna help it support. I'm gonna add a little bit of water, and that way when I'm gonna put the flower inside, it'll touch the water and it'll have a little bit of water to live from. And we'll show you how that looks.
fell.
So I put the water inside. Now Aaliyah's gonna stick those 2 foams.
Now mine?
Yes, I'm gonna help you right now.
This one for me.
There you go. Now I'm gonna clean this up. This is how the pumpkin looks, all cleaned up. There's a little bit of gaps, but I'm gonna fill that with flowers.
So this is how my pumpkin fell. Ethan's fell on the floor.
Yeah, you guys, my son's pumpkin fell on the floor when he was trying to put the little flowers. They accidentally rolled over and broke. So he ended up helping us rearrange this one. So this is how it looks. It took us about 10-12 minutes to rearrange all the flowers because we had to cut the stems and make them smaller to fit our little pumpkin. And then I had these from a prior trip to the Dollar Tree, so I put one of those in there. I thought it looked cute. And then I also had this little thing, so I'm gonna put those on this corner on my stove, and I'm gonna remove those 2 little things there and put them somewhere else. But yeah, guys, that's what I'm gonna be doing. Once these die, I'm gonna change them for fake ones. Not bad, Aaliyah, for your first time, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
Yes.
My favorite part when I put my hand in the thing and we cut it open and I put my hand in it.
To get the glue stuff out? Yeah. You guys did a really good job. I really like it. It's a project to do with your kids. It only cost me around less than $20. And there you go. That's how it looks in the little corner. When I cook, I just move it, and then when I'm done cooking and my stove is not hot, I just put it all back. But really pretty project. Hope you guys like our video.
Peace out. Give a thumbs up and like. Comment down below. Bye.
Have a good night, guys. Bye.